I am telling you free of cost, so that you can also benefit from it. So that you can also take a good initiative in your life. Best Freight Forward can reduce your shipping cost. Basically, in today's video, we are going to talk and explain to you how can you find out to import any product in Pakistan, and what can Freight Forward do for you. And second, we are going to talk about people who are interested in blogging. This channel is bringing a very good opportunity for them, but in today's video we are going to cover this procedure to the point and complete. How you can upload all this work on blogging, what is the procedure to upload on Blogger, and what is the procedure to upload on Blogger. That will be at the end of this video. And if you are interested in Freight Forward, then you can watch this video from the start. First of all, we are going to do that we have to find Freight Forward in a very low price. And through that, we have to import goods from China to Pakistan. Now you have to clear one thing, that Freight Forward's job is, whatever paperwork is related to your product, and after that, whatever struggle you have, that person has to do it, from China to Pakistan. This is also the job of Freight Forward, if you find a good Freight Forward, and do a good deal with him. So, here I will point out to you at a very micro level, that your job is to find a good Freight Forward, after finding out your product. If you don't get a good Freight Forward, then believe me, something can go wrong with you. I am giving you an advance notification, so you have to remember this. If Freight Forward takes money from us, then he doesn't take so much money. That we say that, what money to give this person. If we give money to this person, then we don't know what will happen. If we give money to this person, then our money will be less. If you give money to Freight Forward, then he will import your product safely to Pakistan. On the contrary, sometimes it happens that our product breaks, or gets cracked. So how does Freight Forward take all these responsibilities? There is a separate department of it. He gets your product through the sea, but you know that the person who is old in the field. How will he get your product? Where will he keep it? Which safety level will he adopt? Which you can't do. You can only give orders. You can talk to your supplier. You can't do anything else. So make sure you find out Freight Forward. There are two methods to find Freight Forward. One is Alibaba, and the other is made in China. You can find Freight Forward on these two platforms. If we talk about Alibaba, then we will go to Alibaba's search bar. You will find a long list. In that long list, you have to check the rating of the person. His rent means how much he is charging you per kilogram. You have to check that, and then you have to check the people with whom he has worked. They also write their product data with the rating. So you have to note down their things very deeply, which I think is very important for you. So please don't miss this.